Hey everyone, and welcome back to my garden. Today is harvest day here, and we have a beautiful mixture of vegetables to pick. There is nothing more satisfying than walking out your back door and picking fresh, beautiful vegetables. Let's get started. So we're going to start our harvest with these beautiful Daikon radishes. I noticed the other day when I was watering on these corn and the radishes that I have a few that are ripe for picking. So let's see if we can get them without breaking them. Now here's one. It's not the biggest daikon I've ever grown, but it is one that is ready, and I don't want to leave it too long here in this heat. The plant may start to bolt. And I think we have another one that is sitting up also. Yep, we have another one. Not very big, but we can use it. I don't think I have any more that are ready to be picked yet. So here they are, my 3 daikon radishes. They were in the earth for a pretty good moment, but they're going inside, and we'll do something with them. Next, we're going to harvest some cherry tomatoes. So this is one of several cherry tomato plants that I have throughout the garden. And as you can see, we have some orange cherry tomatoes that are ready. So we're going to harvest them. I'm putting them in this silo cup here so they don't fall out of my harvesting basket. Now, when I'm out here in the garden at times and I want something to snack on and I don't want to go back inside the house, I just grab one of these, and brush them off a little bit, pop them in your mouth like this. And they are also sweet and tasty. So we have about a cupful of these. Next, we're going to get our Cherokee purple tomatoes. So this is one of several Cherokee tomato plants that we have also. And as you can see, this one is starting to turn. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove it. I have another one down here that is blushing, and I'm going to go ahead and remove it as well. Got another one there. We have another one here. So let me go look on the other side and see what we have. So we got one more tomato from another plant that was blushing, and we're going to add that to our harvest. Next, we're going to get okra. And these are my Eagle Pass okra plants, and we have 4 of them. And we have 2 that are ready to, 2 pods rather, that are ready to be harvested. So we're going to go ahead and get them. Here are the 2 pods. Now my other plants are starting to put on pods, and it won't be long before, probably by the end of this month, if no later on July, I'll be coming out every other day or every 2 days and harvesting okra. Now, harvesting black-eyed peas was not on my list of things to get, but walking by, I can see that I have some pods that are ready, so we're going to pick those also. We got a handful of pods, and these can go with our previous harvest and make a nice, decent meal for the family. Also, I was able to find out what type of strawberries that I have. These are everbearing, and they continue to put on fruit, and as long as I water them, they seem to be doing great. So whenever I come out to water my green stalk, they get a nice dose as well. So this is a quick update on our most recent raised bed planting. This is the 2x8 elevated raised bed that we did a standalone video on, and as you can see, we had planted a lot of black-eyed pea seeds, and for the most part, a large portion, about 80 to 85% of them germinated, and they have taken off and are doing well here in this raised bed. I can't begin to tell you how happy I am to have it from Vego, and if you're interested in purchasing one, the information is in the description and comment portion of the video. But these are seeds that I saved from last year, and they're doing good. So in this bed we have our cucumbers that are slowly but surely making their way up this trellis or this arch, and they are producing lots of flowers and slowly but surely producing cucumbers. We have one here. It's not the most biggest cucumber, but I'm going to go ahead and harvest it now. And this will go along with some others that we had previously harvested. As I had mentioned before, my cucumbers this year aren't doing as good as they did last year, but this one looks like it's starting to take off and do well, so we'll keep our fingers crossed. Here's our final harvest for today. As you can see, we have the Daikon radishes, we have some cherry tomatoes, we have a cucumber, we have some black-eyed peas, we have okra, and we have Cherokee tomatoes. Overall, a decent harvest. So I want to thank you for coming along with me while we did shopping in the backyard, where everything is always fresh and homegrown, no chemicals or pesticides, and there is never any waiting. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment. I want to know what you guys are growing and what type of harvest are you all having. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take this moment to consider doing so. If you enjoy growing your own food and seeing it be grown and receiving tips, this is the channel for you. Don't forget to hit the notification bell all, and I'll see you in the next one.